Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how you can send one-time photo on Facebook Messenger. So if you are doubting whether you can send one-time photo on Facebook Messenger, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put the Messenger application. Then scroll through and select the chat where you want to send one-time photo. Click on the photo image, then scroll through and select the photo you want to send as one-time view. Then once you selected it, click on this edit button at the bottom left. Now if you see view once or view once off. However, if this is your first time, you'll be prompted to accept terms and conditions before you proceed. So go ahead and accept it and then click on view to turn on view once. Once you have view once here, go ahead and click on the send button. And then you should see the photo sent like this. And then that shows this photo can only be viewed once. It cannot be screenshot and it cannot be forwarded. So once that is done, then you're good to go. So that is basically how you can easily send one-time photo on Facebook Messenger. I believe this answers your question that says, can you send one-time photo on Facebook Messenger? So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.